Welcome to Valli di Sant'Antonio, tucked away in the stunning Val Camonica. Today we're escaping the chaos and diving into a world of silence, snow, and magic. This is winter in Italy as you've never seen it before. Peaceful, untouched, and completely breathtaking. As we glide above the snow-draped forests, small alpine huts come into view. Each hut tells a story of cozy evenings, warm fires, and a connection to nature that feels timeless. The snow muffles every sound, leaving only the soft crunch of your boots and the occasional chirp of a bird. These huts aren't just picturesque, they're a retreat, a step back to simpler times. Now let's stop at a Refugio, a rustic mountain lodge that promises warmth and an unforgettable meal. For just €15, you can enjoy a hearty Italian dish like pizzoccheri, a local favorite made with buckwheat pasta, potatoes, and melted cheese. When ordering in Italian, try these phrases. Vorrei ordinare. I would like to order. Posso avere il menu per favore? Can I have the menu, please? Cosa consiglia? What do you recommend? The warmth of the food matches the welcoming atmosphere, and for a moment, you forget about the cold outside. As we take off again, the landscape unfolds beneath us. This is a place where time seems to stand still, and winter's chill feels like an embrace rather than a burden. It's a place to find yourself in the silence. So what do you think? Have we convinced you to add Valli di Sant'Antonio to your winter travel list? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with anyone who needs a dose of winter magic. But before we go, let me leave you with a short poem to capture the essence of this journey. In the hush of snow and sky, the world slows down as we fly. Alpine whispers, mountains tall, nature's beauty says it all. And now, let me practice my Italian. Ciao a tutti! Oggi andiamo in un posto speciale, le Valli di Sant'Antonio in Val Camonica. È un luogo bellissimo, pieno di neve, silenzio e natura. Siete pronti? Partiamo! Guarda queste piccole baite! Sono perfette per rilassarsi e sentire la pace della montagna. Qui si può camminare nella neve e respirare aria fresca. È un posto tranquillo, lontana dal chaos della città. E dopo la passeggiata ci fermiamo in un rifugio per mangiare. Con soli 10-5 euro possiamo gustare un piatto tipico come i pizzoccheri. Buonissimo! Provate e dire: vorrei ordinare i pizzoccheri per favore. So, until next time, ciao for now or ci vediamo presto. Ciao!